Just wanna see if I can catch a short from the extreme from this point. I'm gonna use very light sizes, of course. I mean, just by the way they're moving. I don't want to expose myself to any big price swings. You can see how fast they can drop. So yeah, ideally I would want to short from the 270, which they are 25 points away, 20 points. They're moving up. This will be my short point. Didn't quite get filled, and then they move down. That's quite unfortunate. See if they can move up from this point. Maybe fill me in. Now they're dropping. Come on, Nasdaq, move up. Yeah, just cancel that order. Seems like they moved up. Okay, there's another move. Slow down. There's another big drop down. Interesting. Yeah, they just didn't come to my entry points where I wanted them to go. So I just didn't want to enter the trade. Now they have dropped. So these are the points where I will go long actually. You can see the tight range that I'm trading. Just go long at the extremes and go short from these points. If they break the structure, you of course get out from the trade. Good long from the 80s right here. Oops. There we go, we're filled. Do the same on the S&P. 2 micros. There's the move I want to see positive delta. Trade towards the highs up here, towards the 250. Currently at the point of control. This is a zone where they held previously. You can see they come to the point of control, they move up. You can see how much time they spent in this zone right here. And that's a nice sharp move up. That's good. Can they continue to move up? 24,200. That's a big zone. That's a whole number. They drop down to my entry point. But then do you see how fast they push up? Just need to see this move being backed by some buyers coming in on it on the S&P. There's the drop. They could sweep down right here. Just a quick sweep, come into the VWAP, then push up. Let's see what they do. Yeah, that's a lot of selling. There's the drop. Now this is where we expect them to move up from. Yeah, you can see a lot of sellers coming in, but they fast move up. They just as fast come down as well. Yeah, there's the move. Good. Gonna add to my trade. Yep, that's a big push. Just gonna add one more macro on S&P and Nasdaq. Increase my size. Come on. Can they continue? Nice amount of buying. There's the push. Come on, Nasdaq. You're not done. S&P needs to get back above this point of control to sustain this move to the upside. Still seeing buyers. There's the push. Nice. Nice. Gonna take 2 contracts off. Just pay myself. I mean, just look at the way they're moving. I just want to just get out from the trade as soon as I can. Just locking in the profits. That's what we do. Sweeps down. That's a big push up after a sweep down. That's good. So there is still support from the bids. Right now they're lifting the offers. 142 on the offer on the S&P. Good trade towards it. We're still above the point of control, so I'm good to hold the trade. There's another push up. Still buyers coming in on Nasdaq. Not really seeing any buyers on the S&P though, so I gotta be careful. You can see also negative delta forming down here near the point of control. But they are moving up. 126 on the buy side, 136. So that's a big buyer, which should lift the price up. Then they sweep down again. Yeah. There's another push. Going into this value area high on the Nasdaq. Same with the S&P, there's the push. We're approaching the zone where I would like to take some profits. And yeah, they could sweep down from this point very aggressively. You also saw some, yeah, just gonna get out. Fill me in, good. Definitely could have taken profits much earlier up here. Just because we know that's a zone where they like to come down from. Look at all those wicks. They're just not able to break this point. You also saw very briefly around that 160 buys came in on Nasdaq and they weren't able to push up. So that's the pause that I talk about. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.